I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I wanted to show you my new obsession. It's the chicken avocado bowl from Del Taco, and it has chicken, beans, avocado, rice, and tomato. So good. If you haven't tried it, it's so good. I think it's like 500 calories for the whole thing, and it's like $5, but it's really filling. TGIF, it's Friday. 6:30 a.m. I'm at work. Well, I'm in the gym area. I came to finish getting ready, but today I have a doctor's appointment, and yeah, I'll talk more about that later. Whew, I am home. Oh, look at my arm. So I went to the doctor today, and I had a little bump. I should say. I had a little bump like right below my breast. Sorry if this is TMI for some people, but it was right below my breast. It had been growing since, hold on, I'm also making dinner while I talk about this. I don't know if you can see. I'm making shrimp Alfredo. But what was I saying? Oh, so it had been growing since about August, I think, of last year, and started growing. And I just thought maybe it was like a mole and it would go away, but it just kept getting bigger and bigger. So finally I went to the doctor today and I showed him, and he actually removed it while I was there at the office and is going to send it off to be biopsied to make sure once again that it's not cancer. I don't know why I keep having these cancer type scares. So let me just show you. So there's a band-aid. I'm not even going to zoom out right now because it would be inappropriate. But I don't even know what it looks like. He stitched it up. Like he sewed it back up, so I don't even know what it looks like yet. And I got to put like cream on it every day and stuff. And then I got to go back in 10 days. And I will get the results of it. And then I guess we'll just go from there. So yeah, in 10 days I'll go back and get the results. Sorry, I have my camera over here. I was also telling him that I've been like really tired. I don't know if you guys have, any of you guys have seen any of my thyroid videos, but ever since my part of my thyroid got removed, and that's why I have this big ugly scar right here. And yeah, just like really tired, and I've actually had a lot of times where I felt really dizzy. So that's why I initially went to him, and then I was like, oh wait, I also have a bump that I wanted him to check. So that is what's going on. I really wanted to like sit down and cook. I haven't cooked like a real good meal in a while. So I was like, me and my daughter are gonna eat, because my son won't eat like regular food. He'll eat like, he's just really picky. He's 4 years old, so he's like really picky age, I guess. So that's what's going on right now. We got our face masks on, and these are like what were they? Peel off?
Yeah, they're peel off.
They're peel off masks. So we're getting lit on a Friday night. It actually feels really good.
Feels cold.
Yeah, I like it's cold because my skin's like inflamed. Okay, let's peel these off.
Okay. Ow. It's pulling.
Yeah, look.
It's pulling my nose up.
It doesn't really hurt though. It's just like super tight. My face is redder. Oh my gosh, my face is more
Ow.
red.
Hurts me. Ow. I think it's because it was
Dang,
wet.
it's like waxing your forehead. Okay, that hurts.
Okay.
Oh.
Ow. Ow.
Ouch. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Governor. My cheek is going up on a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday, got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday, club going up on a Tuesday.
Do you remember that song, Gabby?
Yeah. Whoa, look at that.
Look.
What?
Oh my gosh, I'm uglier. I thought face masks are supposed to make you pretty.
Let's see if this helps.
Look at me, Gab.
You're so red.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's like, what was the point of that? It just made me more red. What? Ew, I do not recommend these masks. We got these at Walmart in the $2.50 section, you know, next to the makeup. Don't buy them. No, I'm just kidding. I don't like how it like made my... Are you doing okay over there?
No.
Look at how red my face is. Oh. Besides all this crusty stuff around my... Look how red my face got. Oh, I don't like it. Boo. Boo to these masks.
Boo. Face looks so red.
Boo. I know. God, it looks like a freaking monster.
I can't concentrate.
Alright, we're done. We're done. Okay, my face really hurts. It like made it more inflamed. There's still, oh my gosh, on my finger. But look, like my skin is so irritated right now, like it's pissed off. My skin is pissed off at me for doing that. Oh my gosh.
I fell down. Ah! What did you do?
He fell down. Okay, he wants to show everybody his leg. And let's see your arm. Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Aww. Well, today really sucks because it's raining and we were going to do yard work, so yeah. My mom slept over because she was going to help me do my yard, but I guess now that it's raining we can't really do anything, so we're going to go shop for probably some flowers so I can plant in my yard when the weather gets better. And yeah, so let me get all pretty. And I'm back. When I was doing my makeup, I was thinking I wanted to make a comment about if you guys watched my DNA video, my ancestry DNA video. I get a lot of views on that one, I think just because it's something that a lot of people look up. And I realized that a lot of the comments that come from that video or that are on that video aren't from my subscribers. But I just wanted to kind of talk about it because I had a lot of people almost getting mad that the way that I was explaining things like the Middle East and Africa and stuff. And I was just explaining it the best way I knew. I didn't, you know, if I'm uneducated about it, you know, I'm sorry that I am. But it wasn't like I'm just an idiot that's like, yeah, blah, 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 whatever I say is right. I was just trying to explain it the best way that I knew growing up, you know, from what I learned in school and stuff. Like, that's what I was going off. I'm not, like, super educated in race and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's just funny because I have a lot of comments and a lot of people fighting. Not a lot, but there's a few people that have been fighting in the comments over the whole Middle East, Africa thing. So, yeah, I wasn't trying to offend anyone. That's what I'm trying to say here. Anyway, so I'm waiting for my mom. She went to the store, but when she comes back we're gonna head out. Well, I wasn't able to vlog in the store because it was really busy there and had my kids with me, and yeah, I just didn't think to pull out my phone. But I did get some cute stuff at the DI. Oh, DI. So we call it DI here in Utah. I don't think there's any DIs anywhere else, which is short for like Deseret Industries, but it's basically just a thrift store, so secondhand stuff. But I found these cute. Let me just put them on the bed and show you. I found these like cute little candle holders, and then I found these candles as well. So these were each $1, and then the candles were $1, so $4 for this. I don't know. I thought it'd be cute for a little home decor. And then I also found like a sign that said something, and I don't know, I was thinking about doing like a background, setting up like a cute background, you know, for my like other videos where I'm sitting down talking. You know, with Boo!
Why can't I play your phone? Mommy.
So, what?
Can I play Roblox on your phone?
No, Dad's gonna call me back in a minute.
Mommy,
So, yeah, that's it. My daughter went with my grandma. With my grandma. My daughter went with my mom. She went home with her, so we've just been playing this new Mario game. I played with him for like 2 hours, and then I was like, okay, I'm done. It stopped raining, but it's still just like ugly out there, you know? Just like ugly clouds. Yesterday, I got home. I spent the night at my mom's like the night before, so Thursday night, and I got a notification that I had ordered these lashes. They're Dodo lashes. I actually have an affiliate code with them in my description box, but I'm not trying to plug it. What I'm trying to say is I ordered these lashes. They're like $5 mink lashes. They're really cute, but inexpensive. And so I ordered them a month ago. They took a month to get here. And then when they finally got here, I got the notification that it was delivered. Excuse you. I'm telling a story here. Get out of my video. Yeah, so it said it was delivered. And then when I got here, so I wasn't here that night. So it just stayed out either on my porch or whatever. And it rained. So I don't know if it flew away or if somebody literally stole my lashes, but they're gone. My mink lashes are... Why are you even laughing?
Okay.
Oh well, there's real problems going on in the world besides my lashes getting stolen. It's not that big of a deal. Alright, I'm stopping. Here is a update on my... These are the stitches. Why is my lighting doing that? It's weird. So here's the stitches. And I get those taken out in 10 days. It really sucks. Can I just say that? It really sucks getting all these biopsies and weird crap happening to me in the last year. Sorry, I'm putting a band-aid on. But, yeah, it just sucks because I hate being alone doing it, you know? I've never been so sick in my life than I have this past year. And I've also been by myself. So, yeah. I try to just kind of keep it like light. But it is something that like really concerns me. And I'm just the type of person that'll like push stuff down. Like my emotions. If something is serious happening, I just block it out. I don't like to deal with it. So, but I am worried about it. And I don't know. I just don't want people to think like, oh my gosh, you know, another thing that's going on in her life. Who gives a, you know, but anyways, so I'm going to end the vlog. I'm probably just going to end the vlog altogether. It's gone pretty long already. And tomorrow is Sunday. It's Mother's Day. So I'll probably just be with my family, and that's about it. So thank you for watching my vlog. I know it's kind of just here, there, and everywhere. Also, can you please, if you even got this far in the video, you a real one, but if you could please just tell me, like, do you like the vlogs? Would you rather see makeup videos? I don't get very many views on my makeup videos. That's why I don't... Did I just say videos? Videos. That's why I don't make them as often. I do like makeup, but I feel like I'm not like some huge... I'm not like a super... I'm not like a beauty guru. So, yeah, I love makeup, but I mean, a lot of people do. So, you know, would you rather have more vlogs? Would you rather have... I like mukbangs. Love mukbangs, but... I don't know. I get a lot of views on those too, but I feel like a lot of them are not from my subscribers. But I don't know. I don't get a lot of like certain feedback. So anyways, yeah, just let me know please down below in the comment section what type of videos you are interested in, because I kind of like to just do a little bit of everything. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and Bye. Check out this lightning storm. Or thunderstorm, I guess.
What's the way?
Ooh.